Ooh, we got a package. We got a kitty. Hey, hey, hey! Don't do now. Go away. Alright, that's what I thought. Okay, we got a package. We're gonna open this the cool way. Now this is the cool way. Ugh. Ugh. No! Need that. What is this? This is what I'm looking for. Kitty, you want a box? Come here! What? What is that? Do it for the camera. Get in there. Yeah, new house for the kitty. New house for the kitty. What is this? Ooh, that's heavy. Ooh, look, I got the bushing on it and everything. Front sway bar link to a '07 Mustang with hardware and bushing included. What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's on there. It feels a lot better than what it used to be, actually. This is what was on there, that old fucking... Look at that, it's not even connected up there anymore. Yeah, it's just flopping all around. Yeah, that's probably what was one of the problems.